happy Friday. This is a pop-up video and I thought I would come on and share some DIY fall decor using my xTool P2 laser machine. I've had the xTool P2 laser machine for several months, which has allowed me to play with different materials. This is a very capable machine for the hobbyist, for the professional, and someone in between. So a lot of the P2 laser designs I've made have been with thinner wood pieces. And this time I wanted to go a little bigger and bolder and thicker. And so I also found some mud pie designs on Amazon that I thought were adorable for fall. So I wanted to see if I could replicate something similar using the P2. I came across some mud pie lanterns that are almost shaped like a pumpkin. And the set was nearly $130. And I would never spend that much on two lanterns. I just wouldn't. I don't think so. And so I thought, well, what if I could replicate that myself? So right here, I'm gonna put a picture of what I found on Amazon. They are awfully adorable. I wanted to go smaller in scale to see if I could sort of replicate something. So I did a prototype. So here you can see I've cut my pieces out on the laser and now I'm ready to do final assembly. Time for the wood glue. I have not painted it. I haven't done anything yet, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with how it looks, and I think I can take it next level next time. So I wanted to start out small, so you can see how I've pieced this together. And it turned out pretty good. And I was thinking of doing a leaf, sort of making this look like a pumpkin once I got it all painted, and then doing a leaf or a really cute finial up top. But anyway, you can see a small resemblance to the mud pie one. And you know, when you start doing these designs, it's all about trial and error. You just have to see what works and how they fit together and improve on that. And the material cost on this was probably less than $2. So you can see if you can do it and make it yourself, you're gonna save a ton of money. So work in progress, we're getting there. I started out small, but I wanna make a bigger one and have them as a set. And then I'm gonna do some sort of a cute finial and paint it and all that. But you can see if I were to put a wreath down below, elevate this just a little, this LED candle, this would look great on a coffee table, up on a shelf, on a curio cabinet. You get the gist, or even like styled on a tray. Anyway, I'm excited to finish this prototype, then make a big version. So next I wanted to make 2 pumpkin candle holders for fall, and this is what I came up with. Okay, here's the design I came up with. Here's a pumpkin and the circles will be the base for my candle holder. And here I am cutting it out. But before I share, we decided to push the limit with the P2, and we decided to cut 3/4 inch wood to give it a more substantial look. So we're very impressed with this cut. We had to turn up the power to 100%, lower the speed dramatically, but it was able to make a beautiful clean cut. So what I'm about to show you, I've seen similar pumpkins in boutiques and really nice stores. And so this is sort of where I got my idea, but look at it, it turned out so cute. Look at this pumpkin, and you can see the edges. And so we cut this out, and then we made this circle to go on top for my candle. And you can see down below, it sits flat on any surface. I wasn't sure it was gonna be able to sit flat, but it does. So in any given decor store, this could go for easily $20, $30. And again, I did this for a few dollars, huge cost savings. My next pumpkin, I wanted to make slightly different. This is the larger version. And this time I decided to make the vine. And I think it turned out so cute. And so what I'm going to do today is style these for you. and show you how I kind of bring this to life. Now, I originally was going to paint these, but I have to say, you know me, I love rustic anything, and I love the dark edging on the side and on the inside. I feel like it helps to give it depth and dimension. So anyway, let's style these. Here's a little shiplap board, and we decided to cut it and see if we can make a little pumpkin with the shiplap board. And it actually turned out really cute. And you know, you could style these a number of different ways. So here's a really cute way to style my pumpkin. This is a little wreath from Hobby Lobby. I can simply stick it on top of the circle. Isn't that cute? And then add a little LED battery operated candle. Love this. It looks great from all the different sides. I could also do a pumpkin within a pumpkin, and I think that looks adorable. This would be a really cute centerpiece somewhere. This would be adorable as well. And all I did was stack some white and burlap pumpkins on top of the wreath. This could be set anywhere. This would actually be really cute on a coffee table too. Now, if I wanted to do something really different, I could set a bowl in here instead of a candle, and then I could add some fall potpourri that smells like cinnamon, and that would be really cute. I could take these dried fruit slices and decorate with these as well. I could do something like this, and then I could put some raffia around the bottom to give it that little extra fall look. It's hard to show you, but put this down on a table and spread the raffia out, and I think that would be adorable. You can make this look as fallish as you want. You could get yourself a little riser from Hobby Lobby, set that in the center, add some greenery to kind of give some texture, and then add your candle. And isn't that cute? I'm going off the beaten path a little bit here, but if I wanted to set this in my kitchen, I could do something like this. I put a fall leaf in one of my little olive oil containers, and that would be really cute too. If I wanted to do something rustic on a table, I could do 2 twig pumpkins, and again, do a pumpkin within a pumpkin. So I really love these. Sky's the limit. I can decorate these any way I want. It's gonna look great on any tabletop. So I hope you enjoyed this little pop-up video. I didn't plan to come on today, but I thought I would just share this to give you some ideas. Maybe you have something similar in your house. Maybe I can give you guys some ideas on a couple different looks to pull something like that together. I would like to take this time to thank xTool for my P2. I absolutely love it. Again, sky's the limit. I know some of you have purchased an xTool, and I hope you guys are enjoying yours as much as I'm enjoying mine. I will have links below for xTool products and promotions. They're always running great promotions and coming out with fabulous products. So anyway, with that said, thank you again, xTool, and thank you guys for joining me. Have a great weekend, and come back and see me next week. We're gonna be up to loads of fall decorating, hoping to finish up all the things. So join me. I'll see you then. Mwah. Bye, guys.